Hey there, Lee. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. On this video, I'm going to show you three different things that you can start using today to help you actually bring in more customers to your business through your website and online marketing. So most likely you're sitting there wondering, why am I doing this? What's in it for me, kind of thing. Maybe why am I even watching this video? I've found that a great way to start a relationship with any local business owner in any kind of niche is by focusing on providing value constantly and right away, especially. Not to mention, the majority of business owners that I talk to or that I've run across, they're too busy running their business or, with the day to day or maybe with multiple businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their business and their website to actually generate more customers, right? So you know, and oftentimes the main hesitation that people have to hiring someone like me or any digital marketer is usually, they don't know who's an expert and who isn't, who actually knows what they're doing here and who's, I don't want to get screwed over, kind of thing, right? You want to make sure you're doing the right thing for your business and yourself. This is your livelihood at the end of the day. And yeah, so I've found by, giving an easy attack plan of actual things that will impact your business, right away, with some consistency of adding this, it usually turns to business owners, looking to me or calling me up and saying, you know what, Alex, I like you. Go ahead and I'll give you a shot. Go ahead and do this for me. So if by the end of this video you liked what you've heard and you can see that I have, lots of tricks up my sleeve and that I know what I'm doing here, and can ultimately help boost your sales, right? That's what we're trying to do here. Shoot me a message and we can chat. Or, if at the end of the video you simply want to take this info and maybe do it for yourself, that works for me too. So I'll get to the point here. I'm going to show you three different things that will set your company above your competition. So step one, I suggest, so you guys definitely have a good amount of content here. You go over carpet cleaning in Costa Mesa, professional carpet cleaning, okay, upholstery cleaning, good. And so I noticed as well as I went over your website, you guys are basically, and you are actually, I think, ranking pretty decently in Costa Mesa. So you got your area in Costa Mesa. However, what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to help you rank for Orange County, all over Orange County, for the search terms carpet cleaning Orange County, rug cleaning Orange County, and upholstery cleaning Orange County. Those are have the most volume, and will be the best return on investment. I understand you probably do hardwood, and a few other things as well, as you can see. So I'm going to go over to your competitors in carpet cleaning Orange County, and it's these guys, Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. Basically when you look up carpet cleaning Orange County, they show up at the top. Sorry, it's loading a bit slow. So carpet cleaning Costa Mesa, I had that searched up, and you guys do rank in the Google Maps right there. Okay, and I'll go over that in a bit. But so this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it helps with all kinds of things. That's the wrong one. Loading slow. Okay, so I threw you guys in Ahrefs. Did I do it yet? There we go. So as you can see the keywords that you're ranking for, and that is, so you can go ahead and click on it. You can see the traffic, so 11, pretty good. We can definitely do better. There's lots of potential. So look, Brothers Carpet Cleaning Costa Mesa. See, so that's what you're ranking for. You're positioned at 9. Costa Mesa carpet cleaning 8. See, it looks like you just need a little push. Maybe it looks like you guys know what you're doing. Maybe someone who works with you. Maybe you have someone helping you out already. However, I'm trying to help you rank for Orange County. Orange County has lots more volume than just Costa Mesa, obviously. So here's the keywords, for example. When you look at your competitor carpet cleaning OC Pros, go to organic search. Look at that. Carpet cleaning Orange County, California, 350 searches a month. Carpet cleaning Orange County, 100. Okay. I'll take you over here. So look, rug cleaning Orange County, 350. Carpet cleaning, 350 right there. Upholstery cleaning, 250. So what's that? That's 700. That's 950 right there. Look, Orange County carpet cleaning. That's over 1,000 search volume, okay, that we're missing out on for ranking in Orange County. Okay, so those are a lot of searches we're missing out on. And I want to help you out with that, of course. And how we do that, to start off, is, I know you guys are already ranking pretty well in Costa Mesa. I don't necessarily want to mess that up for you. But what I suggest is we change up the content a bit and we try to rank for Orange County search terms, okay? Because there's lots of potential here. And we're going to want about 1,000 to 1,500 words. I would assume you guys almost have about that. You probably have like 800, okay? And your top competitor, Carpet Cleaning OC Pros, doesn't even have that. However, these 3 things I'm going to talk about, content being one, is we want to beat them on 3 different levels, and you will make it to the top. It's happened many times. It's proven, okay? So that's content. Enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and talk with you about citations. So let's look up carpet cleaning Orange County. Okay, so here we go. We got the Google ads. Those are Google ads. Technically at the very top, those are cost per click, and I could also help you out with that as well. However, like I said, they're cost per click, so they can become very costly if you're not converting on your clicks and they're not turning into sales. SEO saves lots of money down the road. It's proven, okay? And that would be ranking up here. So you got Yelp, and then carpet cleaning OC Pros that I talked about. Yeah, so citations. Sorry, that's the second thing we're going to talk about, and that helps you with the Google Map Pack. So you want to have as much citations as possible. That's business name, address, and phone number. I call it the NAPS, name, address, phone number. You're obviously familiar with Yelp, probably yellow pages, white pages. Facebook even has room for citation. This is a tool that I use. It's called whitespark.ca. I threw you guys in here for a campaign, and I can compare you to your competitors in Costa Mesa, right? So Brothers Carpet Service, there you go. So you guys have more citations than Orange County Rug Cleaner, okay? And Surfside Carpet Cleaning. These are all people that are near your area, right? Sure, you're probably familiar with them. So you have more, and I'd be willing to bet that when you look up carpet cleaning Costa Mesa, you are in the Map Pack. Boom, there you guys are. And that's because you have more citations than your competitors. So how we could get you to 1 and 2 would be, so look, they have a little bit more Google reviews than you, okay? I have many different templates that I've used that very successful. I've done this before, helping clients. What you do is you reach out, you go through all of your past clients, get all their numbers up, text them up, okay? I got some different templates. You could send emails, half text, half email, maybe Facebook Messenger, different avenues. And basically just say, hey, we helped you out with cleaning your carpet. Maybe it's a regular, right? Maybe someone you regularly fix or repair, which maybe you already have gotten on there for your Google review. But let's get some more Google reviews. I have templates that'll help. and then also Google Photos. So let's take a look at your photos. Let's see here. Brothers Carpet. So you want to have more photos than all of your competitors as well. So these guys probably have a little bit more photos than you. I'm not going to go ahead and count all of those because that's going to take a few minutes. But let's just go ahead and assume they have a little bit more. We also want to save each individual photo when you download it as these keywords. Okay, upholstery cleaning Orange County. Orange County. So if you save them as those words, it will actually it'll just help the algorithm, and Google will notice you and recognize you for those keywords that much quicker. Same with on-page website build. You save these pictures, okay? It's very important. So then moving on, that's citations. You can go ahead and copy whatever your competitors have and you don't, and go ahead and type up your info. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the third thing. Very important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. Link juice. So obviously we can see when we look up carpet cleaning Orange County, Costa Mesa, we're focused on Orange County. You don't show up at the top, okay, which is where we want to be. And how we could do that is by adding relevant websites pointing to your website. So simply put, how link juice works, you have site A, and then it's pointing to your site, site B, okay? So therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest, okay? You might want to think of jumper cables, okay? So you have the car that's working, you know it works, you being Google, okay, metaphorically, bear with me here, and you have the jumper cables connecting to the car that you know doesn't work. We're saying that your website doesn't have as much traffic as we want it to have, and you connect it, and boom, the site gets power, the car gets powered up, and it starts up, okay? And so we need powerful links, relevant websites pointing back to your site. I can take a look at what you have here already. See, so carpet cleaning, that's a good one because it's relevant too. So moving on to that part, you will need websites that are relevant to your site, like carpetcleaningnearme.com. Great, it's a great website. You have some pretty good ones pointing to you. It's at this point you probably need more. So here you have power. At this point we need more trust. Okay, so this is the power, UR, and DR is the trust that Google gives you. So we just need more referring domains, and your trust value will go up a lot more. I can help you out with this link juice. So again, relevant websites. You're not going to put brothers-service.com on Pizza Hut or cars.com because you're not selling pizzas or cars for a living. You're doing carpet cleaning, your upholstery, hardwood floors, on and on. So we need relevant sites, okay, pointing back to your website. And you take a look at your competitor, Mr. Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. You click on their referring domains. So see, they have more referring domains. They have 42 and 164 backlinks, and you have 39 and 19. So we need some more, right? Let's get 300 more backlinks. Just beat them by a landslide, okay? And maybe 50 more referring domains, okay? And you'll rank for Orange County sooner than you know it. And so here we go. We're looking at your competitors' links. You could hypothetically copy every single one of these links. I call it the copycat method. And you go in there, type up your info, blah, blah, blah. Some of these are directories. Some of these are blog posts, okay? Guest posts, comments on blogs, right? And you got to save them sometimes as these anchor texts. So anchor texts are very important. Let's say, for example, on a blog, we save I say, hey, if you're looking for upholstery cleaning Orange County, they click on this link that says upholstery cleaning Orange County, sends you straight to your website. Okay, that's very powerful. These are called anchor texts. So you have your website on there. The majority of people, their only anchor text are their website. Okay, and that's completely fine. However, saving it as a keyword will be very beneficial. I have access to private blog networks that are very established, authoritative in Google's eyes. So these are websites that are already, ranked at the top, right? That are relevant to carpet cleaning, upholstery, your whole business, okay? And here's an example. Top competitor in carpet cleaning is ranked 19,700,000 of all websites on Google. These private blog networks I have access to that I could put your backlink on are all ranked 1 million and below. So these are very powerful and could very quickly give you that boost, give you power and trust that you're looking for from Google. And you will be looked at as an authoritative site. Google will recognize you as a carpet cleaning website in Orange County. Okay, as you know, I've said it many times. So, giving you lots of info here, Lee. And I hope you appreciate it. Not really the right word, but anyways, those are the 3 things I wanted to talk to you about today. They're going to help you out a lot. This is a good overview to rank your business at the top of Google. The 3 things we went over today were content. We're going to want about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your website. You're going to want, maybe 50, or you're already leading in citations, but we're going to need a little bit more. We want some more Google reviews, and we need to maybe add some more photos and optimize them better. So then we need more relevant websites pointing back to your site, more link juice. That's going to give you more authority in Google's eyes. So if you implement these strategies today, you will become number 1 across Google. You can obviously go with this information that I provided you today and do it on your own if you like. And I'm totally cool with that. Okay. However, if you want a more effective route, you want to save yourself some time and a headache, I'd love to help you out with it, right? So you can go ahead and reach me, Lee, at 949-649-6093. That's 949-649-6093. Once again, Lee, I'm Alex, and I'm with Advanced Digital Marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good one.